I like to make is smoothies, because
Okay.
smoothies are high in protein, high in fat, good fat, and they taste yummy.
And what more can you?
And what more can you ask for in a daily diet? I think it's the best diet anybody can ever have. So, because I have a sweet tooth, so I like to have sweet smoothies. And there are thousands of different kinds of smoothies that you can make. So, my first thing that I do when I wake up is that I make my smoothie. All this diet and everything has just ruined our life. No, but it's good. It's good. So when you diet, one thing I want to tell people, that don't think that you are dieting. Think that you are eating healthy, because eating healthy is more important than dieting.